Good day everyone. Before I start my video presentations, I would like to introduce myself first. I am Trixie Cabael from BSIT 1A. So let's start. Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012. Overview of Cybercrime Prevention Act 2012. The Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012 RA 10175 addresses cybercrime in the Philippines, providing a legal framework for detecting, preventing, and punishing activities conducted through computer systems. It includes penalties for violations and enforcement mechanisms. Punishable acts under RA 10175. Number 1. Illegal access. Unauthorized access to computer system of network. The punishment 6 to 12 years in imprisonment, far ranging from 200,000 to 500,000. Number 2 is illegal interception. Interception non-public transmission of data from a computer system. The punishment is same as illegal access. Number 3 is data interference. Unauthorized altering, damaging, or deleting of data in computer system. We have the punishment 6 to 12 years in prison and fine. Number 4 is system interference. Hindering or interfacing with the normal functioning of a computer system. Punishment is same penalties as data interference. Punishable as cybercrime, computer-related forgery, identified with cybersex, child pornography, libel, unselect cited, commercial communication, hacking or cracking. The first one is cybercrime. Using, selling, or registering a domain name that infringe on someone else's trademark or brand. With the punishment is imprisonment and fines. We have detection picture of cybercrime. Second one is computer-related forgery. Inputting algery or deleting data fraudulently. We have the punishment. Imprisonment and fines depending on the damage caused. We have the photo of computer-related forgery. Identified fraudulently obtain personal data to impersonate someone. Punishment is 6 to 12 years in prison and fines. We have the example photo of identified things. Cybersex. Using a computer system to exploit, abuse, or engaging in lascivious use acts for favor or considerations. The punishment is 6 to 12 years in prison and a fine of 200,000 to 1 million. We have sample photo of cybersex. Child pornography. Creating, distributing, or accessing child pornography online. The punishment is imprisonment of up to 20 years and fines up to 2 million. The photo of child pornography. Label. Online defamations similar to traditional libel but conduct over the internet. The punishment is imprisonment and fines, depending on the severity of the offense. We have the example photo of libel. Unsolicited commercial communications. cybercrime case in the Philippines. One is I Love You Virus 2000, a global computer worm created by Filipino's Juan D. Guzman and Riumel Ramos, infecting millions and causing billions in damage. Number 2 is Cebu Pacific Data Branch 2018. Over 900,000 customer accounts were compromised, raising concerns about data security. Number 3 is Comelec Data Breach 2016. A leak of personal data from over 55 million voters, making it one of the largest government data. 4 is RCBC cyber case 2016. Hackers stole $81 million from Bangladesh Central Bank, followed through the RCBC and laundered to Philippines casinos. Number 5 is PhilHealth ransomware attack 2020. A ransomware attack disrupted PhilHealth online service, affected transactions. And have the conclusion. Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012 takes actual rules in regulating online behavior and causing individuals accountable for digital offenses. It safeguards privacy, prevents exploitation, and ensures the responsible use of internet.